Hey guys, this is Dodoid. So today I'm going to be building a PC. In fact, I'm going to be building the same PC that my mom built just last video. But I'm not the only one building it today, because I also have this guy. This is Jonah. He is the guy from the video with the Portal 2 Chell VR system. He's the friend who got to try Portal for the first time on it. And I'm going to be racing him to build a PC. So, here we go. So, here are my parts. For the motherboard, I've got a Gigabyte G41M ES2H. For the CPU, I have a Core 2 Duo E6400. I have just one stick of RAM, because I am going to be building this fast. NVIDIA 8300 GS, some random power supply, 320 gig Hitachi hard drive, and a Dell case that I'll be putting it in, along with some extras, thermal paste, cooler, and so on. So let's get going. So, I beat him, but not by that much. I thought when I was putting together the PC that getting all the motherboard screws in, as well as fiddling with the CPU cooler pin things that go through the motherboard, I felt that was pretty laborious and slowed the process down a little bit. What did you think was slow?
Yeah, I think my main problem was plugging in all the power supply cables. Like, I'd never done it before, and I had a hard time figuring it out.
Well, I think you have plugged in power supply cables before, but, you know, he hasn't built a PC as many times as I have. He hasn't completely built one before. He's just, you know, switched out individual parts. But, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see Dodoid grow, as we're still a very, very small channel, then please subscribe, and until next time, bye.